Big data and machine learning are having an impact on most aspects of modern life, from entertainment, commerce, and healthcare. Netflix knows which films and series people prefer to watch. Amazon knows which items people like to buy when and where, and Google knows which symptoms and conditions people are searching for. All this data can be used for very detailed personal profiling, which may be of great value for behavioral understanding and targeting, but also has potential for predicting healthcare trends. There is great optimism that the application of artificial intelligence, AI, can provide substantial improvements in all areas of healthcare from diagnostics to treatment. It is generally believed that AI tools will facilitate and enhance human work and not replace the work of physicians and other healthcare staff as such. AI is ready to support healthcare personnel with a variety of tasks from administrative workflow to clinical documentation and patient outreach, as well as specialized support such as in image analysis, medical device automation, and patient monitoring. In this chapter, some of the major applications of AI in healthcare will be discussed, covering both the applications that are directly associated with healthcare and those in the healthcare value chain, such as drug development and ambient assisted living. Big data and machine learning are having an impact on most aspects of modern life, from entertainment, commerce, and healthcare. Netflix knows which films and series people prefer to watch. Amazon knows which items people like to buy when and where, and Google knows which symptoms and conditions people are searching for. All this data can be used for very detailed personal profiling, which may be of great value for behavioral understanding and targeting, but also has potential for predicting healthcare trends. There is great optimism that the application of artificial intelligence, AI, can provide substantial improvements in all areas of healthcare from diagnostics to treatment. There is already a large amount of evidence that AI algorithms are performing on par or better than humans in various tasks, for instance, in analyzing medical images or correlating symptoms and biomarkers from electronic medical records, EMRs, with the characterization and prognosis of the disease. The demand for healthcare services is ever increasing, and many countries are experiencing a shortage of healthcare practitioners, especially physicians. Healthcare institutions are also fighting to keep up with all the new technological developments and the high expectations of patients with respect to levels of service and outcomes as they know it from consumer products, including those of Amazon and Apple. The advances in wireless technology and smartphones have provided opportunities for on-demand healthcare services using health tracking apps and search platforms, and have also enabled a new form of healthcare delivery, via remote interactions, available anywhere and anytime. Such services are relevant for underserved regions and places lacking specialists, and help reduce costs and prevent unnecessary exposure to contagious illnesses at the clinic. Telehealth technology is also relevant in developing countries where the healthcare system is expanding and where healthcare infrastructure can be designed to meet the current needs. While the concept is clear, these solutions still need substantial independent validation to prove patient safety and efficacy. The AI-associated healthcare market is expected to grow rapidly and reach $6.6 billion US by 2021, corresponding to a 40% compound annual growth rate. There have been a great number of technological advances within the field of AI and data science in the past decade. Although research in AI for various applications has been ongoing for several decades, the current wave of AI hype is different from the previous ones. A perfect combination of increased computer processing speed, larger data collection data libraries, and a large AI talent pool has enabled rapid development of AI tools and technology. Also within healthcare, this is set to make a paradigm shift in the level of AI technology and its adoption and impact on society. The properties and activity on a drug molecule are important to know in order to assess its behavior in the human body. Machine learning-based techniques have been used to assess the biological activity, absorption, distribution, metabolism, and excretion (ADME) characteristics, and physiochemical properties of drug molecules. In recent years, several libraries of chemical and biological data, including ChEMBL and PubChem, have become available for storing information on millions of molecules for various disease targets. These libraries are machine-readable and are used to build machine learning models for drug discovery. For instance, CNNs have been used to generate molecular fingerprints from a large set of molecular graphs with information about each atom in the molecule. Neural fingerprints are then used to predict new characteristics based on a given molecule. In this way, molecular properties including octanol, solubility, melting point, and biological activity can be evaluated as demonstrated by Coley et al. And others and be used to predict new features of the drug molecules. They can then also be combined with a scoring function of the drug molecules to select for molecules with desirable biological activity and physiochemical properties. Currently, most new drugs discovered have a complex structure and/or undesirable properties including poor solubility, low stability, or poor absorption.